We're Group 6, and this is our final output for our statistics project. We chose option A, where we gathered two sets of data and used t-test for two independent samples to analyze the difference in test scores between two groups of students.
For our idea and planning, the idea came from a common debate among students. Does listening to music while studying help or hurt academic performance? We plan our test by creating an online math quiz and assigning 30 students to study with music and another 30 to study in silence. We then recorded their scores. We gathered help from our classmates who volunteered to participate in the test, and our teacher guided us in structuring the data analysis.
This was our hypothesis and significance. Our hypotheses were null. There is no significant difference between the test scores of students who study with music and those who study in silence. Alternative. There is a significant difference. We use a significance level of 0.05 and applied a two-tailed independent sample t-test. Data analysis. Using Excel and Python, we generated and analyzed the data. The results were mean score, music group of, wait. Pwede bang ulitin ko sa data analysis? Nalito ako. Game. Data analysis. Using Excel and Python, we generated and analyzed the data. The results were mean score, music group, 85.3, and the silence group mean score is 81.1. T statistic 2.80 and the p-value is 0.0069. Since the p-value is less than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. This means that background music does have a significant effect on test performance.
Challenges encountered. Some challenges we faced were 1. Getting 60 students to follow instructions properly. 2. Some gave incomplete answers, so we had to ask more students to join. And lastly, 3. Performing the t-test using formulas was confusing at first, but was learned by practicing and watching tutorials.
Next slide po. Contribution included planning and coordinating the tasks, creating the quiz and collecting the scores, helping compute the t-test using Python and Excel, writing and editing the report and this video presentation. Next, how did you came up with the idea? How did you plan your tasks? Did you get any help or support other than yourself group mates? I came up with the idea based on a common study habit among students. Some prefer silence while others play music. I discussed the topic with my group mates and we agreed it was interesting and doable. We collected data from our classmates using an online form. Our teacher gave us feedback on how to organize the survey and clean the data. What are the challenges you encountered while doing the final output? One major challenge was getting enough participants who follow their study conditions strictly. Some students submitted incomplete responses, so we had to gather more data. Analyzing the data using the t-test in Excel was also difficult at first, but after some practice, we got the hang of it. Number 3. What are your contribution in the final output? I was in charge of creating the survey, collecting the data, and summarizing the result. I also helped in computing the t-test and writing the final report. Lastly, I edited the video presentation for the group.
So that's all. Thank you all for listening. Hopefully, this project helped you better understand real life application of statistics, especially how we can use data to make conclusion about everyday situations.